Apply this to your brush. The results will surprise you. Everyday products you use can turn into something entirely different. This is a simple and inexpensive method. It turns out that this foam has a brilliant use in the toilet. Take an ordinary brush that you probably already have at home, remove it from the container, and then squeeze the foam into the container generously. Place the brush back into the container so that the foam covers its entire surface. This prepared brush is a lifesaver. The foam acts like lathered soap with a higher potassium hydroxide content, making it excellent for cleaning. Use this brush to scrub the toilet bowl as you usually do. It works great on yellow stains and unpleasant odors. Leave everything for 15 minutes. After that, flush the toilet. You'll immediately see how it shines. The bathroom will have a pleasant fragrance that lasts for several days after cleaning. Apply shaving foam to a broom. While we usually associate it with shaving, this foam has another brilliant use. All you need is a regular broom, which most of us already have at home. Apply the foam to both sides of the broom head, making sure all the bristles are fully covered. This setup is a game changer for older people or anyone with back problems. Simply flip the broom and spread the foam over your tiles and shower walls. The foam works like a soapy cleaner with a higher potassium hydroxide content, so it's incredibly effective. But that's not all. Leave it on for 20 minutes. After that, attach a microfiber cloth to the broom and secure it with a rubber band. You can now dry the surface quickly without streaks or water spots. The result? Sparkling clean tiles and bathroom surfaces with a fresh scent that lingers for days. This method makes cleaning easier, faster, and much more comfortable. One tablespoon of salt in the toilet? You'll be surprised what it does. All you need are a few common household items: salt, laundry detergent, both liquid and powder, and some vinegar. Start by grabbing a mixing bowl. Add 1 tablespoon of salt, half a cup of liquid laundry detergent, 2 tablespoons of powdered detergent, and half a cup of vinegar. Give it all a good stir until it turns into a foamy, bubbly mixture. It may look like a science experiment, but trust me, it works better than many pricey cleaning products. Next, pour the mixture into your toilet bowl. The best time to do this is at night before you go to bed, so the solution has several hours to work its magic. In the morning, just flush. And that's it. The results are almost instant. Your toilet bowl will be sparkling clean, free from stains, limescale, and unpleasant odors. No scrubbing required. And here's the best part. If you use this method regularly, it won't just keep your toilet clean. It can also help keep your pipes clear, reducing the risk of clogs and plumbing issues in the future. No harsh chemicals, no extra cost. Just a smart, simple hack that works. My grandmother taught me this method. Take a roll of toilet paper and soak it thoroughly under running water. Toilet paper has a structure that absorbs water really well. Once soaked, it holds a lot of water, making it perfect for the next steps. It's important that the paper is fully saturated. Now remove the cardboard tube from the center. When the paper is wet, the inner roll comes out easily. Then gently squeeze out the excess water. The mass should be damp, but not dripping. Shape it into something like a donut. Pour fabric softener in your chosen scent over it, just enough so the paper soaks it up well. Next, sprinkle laundry scent beads on top. These small beads have a very concentrated fragrance that releases slowly and lasts a long time. Place everything on a colorful plate. Now just find a spot in the bathroom, ideally near the toilet. Put your homemade, uniquely shaped air freshener there. Your bathroom will have an intense, fresh scent that will be released gradually, neutralizing unpleasant odors. The effect can last for several weeks. Plumbers keep this from you. I inserted a hose into the toilet and got rid of the problem. If your toilet keeps clogging and emits an unpleasant odor, you don't have to call a plumber. All you need is a regular hose from a dishwasher or washing machine and an empty bottle. Start by cutting the bottle in half using a knife. Only the top part will be needed. Unscrew the prepared bottle and insert it into the end of the hosey. It should fit perfectly, as these are standard thread sizes. Use duct tape to seal the connection. Twist it several times securely. Take the other end of the hose, cut it to a length of 1 meter. Do this at an angle. This will make it easier to use. Take the prepared hose to the bathroom. It will come in handy for pushing in deep cleaning pipes. Insert it into the toilet and push it through the drain pipe. Once it's deep enough, stand the bottle upright. Pour a cup of baking soda into it. It has a cleaning and disinfecting effect. Shake the hose to make the powder fall to the bottom, then pour a cup of vinegar into it. It will react with the baking soda, creating a foaming reaction. It will clean the pipe from lime deposits. It will flush out the dirt clogging the drain. The chemical reaction will help eliminate the sludge responsible for the unpleasant odor in the toilet. This action will keep the pipes in good condition for longer, and you won't have to use a plumber's services. After removing the hose, wait for the soda and vinegar to drain into the toilet. Finally, check the water, and you're done. Place the brush inside the toilet bowl. The result is truly impressive. Start by pouring hot water over the brush. This crucial step helps remove dirt and dissolves residues. Next, take hydrogen peroxide, commonly known as a disinfectant. Pour it directly onto the brush. This solution is highly effective against bacteria, fungi, and viruses, ensuring thorough disinfection. Hydrogen peroxide also eliminates unpleasant odors from the brush. Finally, add a few drops of tea tree essential oil. This natural remedy not only enhances disinfection, but also leaves a fresh, pleasant scent. Tea tree oil has antibacterial and antifungal properties. After cleaning, leave the brush in the same position for a few minutes to allow excess water to drip into the toilet bowl. This method leaves your brush not only clean and disinfected, but also smelling fresh. Regular cleaning is the key to maintaining hygiene in your bathroom. A crazy way to clean the toilet. I found it online, so see for yourself if it works. Place 3 rolls of toilet paper into the toilet. Then start using colorful dishwashing liquids. Begin by pouring yellow liquid over the paper, followed by a layer of green. Next, pour some orange detergent, then blue cleaner. The red liquid is perfect for removing stubborn yellowish stains. Follow up with purple liquid. For extra freshness, sprinkle the soaked paper with powder, preferably baby powder, as it absorbs moisture well. Then throw in laundry scent beads to give a pleasant fragrance. Add shaving foam to the paper and start another round of liquids. Use pink, red, and orange detergents. Finish off with citrusy yellow liquid and fluorescent pink for the final touch to the colorful mix. Complete it with another layer of shaving foam. Leave the paper for an hour. After that, remove each roll one by one and place them in a Ziploc bag. Finally, use a brush to clean the toilet as you normally would. This method may be crazy, but it works.